Avene is a skincare brand with a rich history rooted in the therapeutic properties of a thermal spring in the south of France. Avene offers a scientific approach to skincare, targeting the underlying causes of skin issues. Their iconic thermal spring water spray is renowned for its soothing and calming properties. CeraVe is known for its affordable and accessible skincare solutions, focusing on quality products at budget-friendly prices. Avene has a rich historical background, while CeraVe is a newer brand with a modern, science-backed approach. Avene emphasizes clean beauty and formulates products without toxic ingredients. CeraVe offers fragrance-free and paraben-free options but does not categorize itself as a clean beauty brand. Avene harnesses the soothing properties of thermal spring water in their formulations. Avene primarily caters to consumers looking for dermatologist-recommended solutions for specific skin concerns. CeraVe targets a broader demographic, emphasizing affordability and accessibility. Both Avene and CeraVe take dermatological expertise seriously and collaborate with dermatologists to ensure effective and safe products. Both brands have a global presence, making their products accessible to consumers worldwide. Both Avene and CeraVe emphasize the importance of hydration in skincare. Avene and CeraVe may offer some vegan products, but they are not entirely vegan brands. Avene and CeraVe have best-selling products that cater to various skincare needs. CeraVe's bestsellers include their hydrating facial cleanser, moisturizing cream, foaming facial cleanser, and PM facial moisturizing lotion.